How to block Wi-Fi users in Starlink. The first thing that you will do is to download the Starlink application via the Google Play Store if you're using an Android device, and if you're using an iOS, then you'll have to download it via the Apple Store. So once you have successfully downloaded those applications, you'll have to connect your Starlink from your phone to the main router. So for you to be able to do this method, you cannot definitely block someone from using your connection, but instead you can pause or having a prohibited connection from other user. So all you have to do is just to tap on a known user that is currently connected to your device from Starlink, and you'll just have to choose on the pause button for that person will be disconnected on your current internet. So that's it. That's how you can block users from using your Wi-Fi with Starlink.